Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to MS SQL 2016 comprehensive workshop. Today I'm going to tell you about some of the most important key points that you should know before starting to before going to MS SQL server and before starting working to that particular software. So let's have a look what key points I want to tell you today. Alright, so the first thing that I want to tell you is data. So my question to you people, ask yourself what is data. For a while you think for a while what is data, and then write the answer on the page or a notebook, and then you will realize how much you know about your particular field. Now let me tell you what data is. Data is nothing but the collection of facts and figures. Let's say if there is a shop of a medical store or a pharmacy store or any other shop, what the salesperson do there, everything that he sell, he wrote it down on some paper or some notebook, and at the end of the day he will calculate how much he sell, how much he return back, and what is the total amount, and what is the discount that he have given, and all the things. So at all day he used to collect the data, the facts and figures, and then he calculated and then analyzed that data, and then he fetched out with a new thing that is known as information. So what is information? The processed and the analyzed form of data is known as information. I hope it is clear to everyone. One more thing that you must know, that is knowledge. Okay, in today's world we are analyzing and extracting and processing the data, and we are fetching the knowledge from the data, and information is now a previous trend. I hope it is clear to everyone. But the basic terminologies are: first we have the data, and then we process the data, we analyze the data, we get the information, and we further analyze the data, we get the knowledge, and then let's talk further with a new terminology, that is the database. Of course, when you are noting down some points, where you are storing somewhere your daily data, so that place is known as a database. Now it can be a computer file, it can be a cupboard, it can be a drawer, it can be anything where you are storing your data. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone what is a database, a place where you can store your data and manage your data. Now moving forward, we have another terminology, that is database management system. A database management system is a software where you can place multiple databases. Okay, so the hierarchy is going bigger and bigger. We started from data, then we got information, and then we stored the data on a particular place, and then that particular places are stored somewhere on a big particular place, that is known as a data management system. Now moving forward, after database management system we have one more thing, the relational database management system. What is the relational database management system? It is a type of database management system where you store data break into chunks and parts. What does this mean? Let's say if I store all the data on a single file or register or a notebook, what will happen if that notebook is stolen or lost somewhere? Then what will happen? Every data is lost, all the things are lost, isn't it? So let me give you another example. If you have 1 kg of gold and you have placed that particular 1 kg of gold together somewhere at some place, so if it is stolen, what will happen? The 1 kg is lost. You lost the overall 1 kg. What if you break that 1 kg into smaller parts, 100 grams, and you place on a separate places, let's say? So what will happen? If someone stole 100 grams from somewhere, the 900 grams remain safe. So that is the idea in the relational database management system. You store your data in different tables, in different formats, in different places, so that if one thing is destroyed, there is no impact on the other things. I hope it is clear to everyone. So this is how you can store data in a relational database management system. So that's what about the key terminologies that you should know about databases. One more thing that I must tell you, that the SQL Server 2016 or any SQL Server version that you are using is a relational database management system. There are other management systems as well, like Oracle, like other database vendors we have from Sun Microsystems, Oracle, and then Microsoft Access for smaller databases, and there are other databases that are not relational, that is NoSQL and MongoDB and other SQL services. Okay, so I hope these things are clear to everyone. In the next lecture we'll see the introduction of the SQL server, how can you start, how can you connect. and then we'll continue towards the database creation and all that. Okay, so thank you so much for today. If you do not understand anything, please do write me. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.